I want to share with you a profound message that can bring great comfort and solace during difficult times. It's all about finding solace in God's love. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's challenges? When you feel lost and alone, it's important to remember that there is someone who is always there for you, God. His love is unfailing, constant, and all-encompassing. He is a loving father figure, always ready to listen and offer comfort. In the Bible, we can read verses that reassure us of God's love and care for us. One such verse is Psalm 13,914, which says, "I will give you the comfort that your faith cannot be shaken." This verse reminds us that no matter how tough things get, our faith in God can remain steadfast. We can turn to Him for strength and guidance during these trying times. So when life throws you a curveball, or when you face tough times ahead, remember this message of comfort in God's love. Let it serve as a source of strength and reassurance that you are never alone, and that there is always hope ahead. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this message helpful or inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content like this one. Until next time, stay strong, and remember, you are never alone, because God is always with you.